The Great Awakening. How the world lost its borders. Imagine a world where the answer to every question was hidden behind a 1,000-mile journey. If you wanted to learn, you needed a library card and a tank of gas. If you wanted to speak to the world, you needed a printing press or a broadcast tower. Communication was a luxury, and knowledge was a secret kept by the few. We lived in the age of the gatekeeper, where our voices were only as loud as our physical reach. But then, a silent web of light began to wrap around the planet. The internet didn't just arrive. It exploded like a digital Big Bang, shattering the walls of isolation. Suddenly, the American dream wasn't just about a house with a fence. It was about a screen with a connection. We didn't just build a network of wires. We built a global nervous system that allowed the thoughts of one person to reach billions in a heartbeat. This revolution rewrote the rules of human existence. In an instant, the local library became the global library, placing the sum of all human wisdom in the palm of a child's hand. Communication moved from weeks of waiting to nanoseconds of connection. We stopped being passive consumers of information and became the creators of it. The internet democratized truth, giving a platform to the voiceless and a classroom to the curious. It turned the kitchen table into a university and the backyard into a global marketplace. We are no longer limited by where we are born, but by how much we are willing to learn. The internet proved that when you connect the minds of the world, the impossible becomes a shared project. We have traded our physical borders for a digital horizon, proving that the most powerful thing on earth isn't a wall, it's a link. The moral of this digital awakening is that access to knowledge is a superpower, but it requires a human heart to lead it. The internet has given us the world's information, but it hasn't given us its wisdom. That is up to you. Don't just use the connection to scroll, use it to soar. You are holding the key to every secret and every story in human history. The borders are gone, and the gates are open. Now go out and write a chapter that the whole world need.